cracking, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. We are in SoCal for the weekend, and you guys already know what that means. We're at San Clemente Cars and Coffee. It was on the way to HRE Open House, which I am hitting up as well, so stay tuned for that video. We're on the way to HRE Open House, and we've seen the exit. We're like, might as well stop by and check out all the sick cars that are here. Pretty crazy turnout for the weather. It's kind of gloomy. It's a little wet outside, but you guys see it. A little bit of rain is not stopping anyone from pulling up. We got all the whips lined up. What do you guys think about the polished wheels on that? Looks solid. There's gonna be a few banger videos I'm gonna be uploading this whole weekend. So yeah, we got all the bikes posted up over here. Check out the S1000. Dude, out here in SoCal, bikes be out, rain or shine. Look at the ZX14. Thing is a big body. So many bikes. Damn, y'all, look at this R1 though. I need that exhaust setup. That's sick. I know. Mirrors gone, looks good.
Yeah, I know, I saw these. I was like,
we're gonna quickly mob through here because we do gotta go to HRE Open House. So yeah, just gonna stroll through super quickly. Show you guys how the Cars and Coffee here is. If you've never been, you gotta hit it up, man. There's just so much cool stuff. Check out the Beamer lineup. 340 looking clean. And look at the pink combo. All right, you guys, this is gonna be a quick walkthrough. Do got carbon over fenders on that thing. Always catch a good variety of cars here too. Got the Mopar squad. Whole bunch of Mopars. No way, there's the Demon. Almost missed the Demon. That's pretty cool. I've only seen like 3 my whole entire life. They don't be out and about like that. Okay, got the Maros. Damn, the blue is hitting. That's one good looking car right there. Got the Supra over here bagged. Got the S2000. And check out the E90 M3. Thing has some beefy tires on it. Rays. Those look good. Alright, let's keep it rolling, man. It's hard not to get caught up in the cars over here and just stare at a build for so long. So, trying my best, yo. Damn. There's something about blue when it's cloudy outside. Full carbon front. They acting up in the garage. Check out this Hummer. Yo, that is crazy. Big old tires on it. Got some more whips. Yo, look at this M6. Got the carbon barrels on there. My dude balled out on this build. They just vibing. Drop top. It's crazy. SR. Gotta show some love to the GX. Got the Lightning. Damn, if you know, you know. Good amount of off-road builds out here. Damn. E30 M3. Got some work done. Damn, that engine bay. Wonder how this thing sounds. Sick. Got the E36 M3 right next to it. E46 M3. Literally got the whole M3 lineup. All the OGs over here. Damn, like the finish on those. Little baby TEs. Damn, white on white. Murdered out AMG. Whoa. Check out the big body S-Class. Damn, those wheels though. I don't know, man. This would be a good daily driver. Got the 996 turbo. Urus. Got the FF. F430. We're just gonna walk around and show you guys the main section, or I should say the main lineup that they have in the middle over here. Got the GT2 RS. Damn, this Technica though. Something about these, it just hits a little different. That rear bumper. Yep, I think it's the rear bumper and how the tire shows right there. I don't know, it just does it for me every single time. Got the F430, another one. Two F430s here. Got the Aston Martin Vantage. Oh my goodness. You guys already know what I'm saying.
In your 30 minutes.
997 GT3. Alright. Whoa. Regular GT3? Guess we got the full GT3 RS Aero going. Almost had me fooled. McLaren, don't really see 650S's like this out and about. Nice colorway, got the signature orange going. Got the new Ferrari. Pan over to the other side real quick. SVJ over there, which we'll go take a look at closer in just a second. Got some 488s. Got the AMG GTR boys. Two of them. One's a drop top. Pretty sick. Some McLarens. Could always appreciate a nice 458. Look at those wheels. Alright, let's keep it pushing, y'all. Lots of exotics out here. Damn, that's a nice colorway on the GT3 Touring. Another 2RS. How about this color on the Aventador though? Pretty sure that's paint too. Got the Maybach GLS. And another Aventador. And a 458. Wowzers. Damn, bro. 458 just does it for me, y'all. Can't go wrong. Got the RS7. Alright. I gotta speed it up a little bit. We're running a little bit behind. Yo, y'all gotta see what's under the hood of this Ranger. Yep. There's no way. My boy is... I don't even know what to say, y'all. Ranger. Ranger ain't playing. Check out the E46. No way. Reppin'. He's got to be from the Bay Area. I feel like I might have seen this car around. Super clean setup.
No, because this is
Sick engine bay. The old schools. Whole bunch of Corvettes over here. This one's nice. The colorway. Mustang. Got a CTS-V. Thing is mint. Man, I'm telling you, a Corvette lineup over here. Turn around, more Corvettes. C7s, C8s, C6s, you name it. That's crazy. It just continues. So many vets. Sick exhaust setup on the C8 poking out. Look at the engine bay on this one. C806. You can just tell by how freaking wide it is. Damn. That's gangster. There's so much to freaking see over here, y'all. C6 with the clear tails. Packing some heat. Check it out, y'all. This is the new C63. It's my first time seeing it in person. Look at that. It looks so freaking different. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That rear end's kind of bulky. You know, this body style, I think this is my favorite. We got the older AMG right here. I think I'd take this all day over the new one. Got the T-Spec GTR. Haven't seen a black one before. That's pretty sick. I didn't even know they made it in black. 370. Yo, why the intake poking out like that? More Mopars. Hellcat. Purple Hellcat. Damn, this is a clean STI. Look at those wheels. This is nice, man. This is like, wow. Got some Supras in the mix. That's pretty much it, y'all. If I see anything else crazy, I'll probably pick up the camera. Got the G8. Got the Harley out. But yeah, man. That basically wraps it up. We're gonna have people starting to head out, so maybe get some rollouts for you guys. But other than that, ooh, the vet though. See what he got going on under the hood. Yes, sir. Got the Bronco back there, giving it that old retro vibe. Gonna keep seeing some cool stuff, I guess. Check out the AMG wide body. Bro, there's no way. That's crazy. There's no way. Look at the mount. All right, I guess. Got the SLS. How often do you see SLSs out and about? As promised, I told you I'd show the SVJ. The dry carbon on the green. With the green calipers matching too. Proper. Hear a nice chomp. When you hear a nice chomp, you gotta pull up on the car. It's a good old chomp. down, got the full AMG lineup. Got the venti. So many AMGs, bro. Look at that. It don't stop. There's no way the Maybach truck is dancing. There's no way. That looks so funny. That's a flex. Yo, no way. Imported that straight from Japan. Y'all see the curtains in the back. That's that OG stuff. Big Jag enthusiast to buy the SVR. Look at the wild tacos. Dude, everything has been done on that. Thing is ready to hit the trails. That's sick color. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. It was kind of a short one probably, but got to make it out to HRE Open House, so we're headed up out of here. And we got the bikes, man. But San Clemente Cars and Coffee, always a good time. Tons of cars. If you're ever in the area, it's every Saturday, so the biggest cars and coffee every freaking week. It's literally insane. But yeah, man, that wraps up this video. Stay tuned. There's no way that dog is, yeah.
Do you see the corgi in the Aventador?
No.
This, with the Batman
I guess there's a corgi in a Aventador. Or a corgi in a Veneno. There's no way. With the Batman. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe. If you are new to the channel, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be the HRE Open House. Until then, y'all take it easy. Later.